And this is Alpha Somani, and we were on chapter number 3, The Little Girl. Okay, so we have already completed the vocab part of the chapter, and today we'll be doing the reading part of the chapter, the explanation part. So, when we had done the vocab part, I had given you this assignment, and you had to find out the meanings of these words, and also you had to use these words in a sentence. So, let's start with the words and let's start with the assignment. The first one is a butcher. So who is a butcher? A butcher is a person who sells meat, who slaughters animals. जो कसाई होता है उसे butcher कहते हैं. Okay. For example, I got meat from the butcher. Okay. So that's how you can use it in a sentence. You can make sentences on your own. Okay. Next one is side. Side means what? जैसे आप बढ़ते हो ना, ठीक है, जैसे आप दौड़ के आते हो और फिर आप सांस फूलती है, जो आप बढ़ते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज साइंग. ओके. टू लेट आउट अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ, ऐसा जो आप करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज साइंग. ओके. सो व्हेन आई वाज क्लाइंबिंग ऑन द स्टेयर्स, आई जस्ट साइड बिकॉज आई वाज सो टायर्ड. जब मैं सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ रही थी तो मैं वहां पे मैंने आई साइड बिकॉज मैं बहुत थक गई थी. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्टिच. स्टिच मीन्स व्हाट? कोई भी चीज सिलाई करना. टू स्यू समथिंग, टू जॉइन टू पीसेस ऑफ क्लोथ्स यूजिंग अ थ्रेड एंड अ निडल. कोई भी चीज की सिलाई करनी होती तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टिच्ड. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई स्टिच्ड अ ड्रेस फॉर माई मदर. ओके, मैंने अपनी मदर के लिए एक ड्रेस सिली. नेक्स्ट वन इज shadowed. Shadow means what? Shadow का मतलब होता है परछाई. एंड shadowed means what? कोई भी चीज जो अंधेरी हो रखी हो, जहाँ पे बहुत अंधेरा हो, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ shadowed place. Okay. Any dark place is called as shadowed. Okay. For example, the room was shadowed by the neem tree. Okay. जैसे रूम के बाहर एक नीम ट्री था तो वहां पे अंधेरा हो गया था रूम के अंदर. It was shadowed. Any dark place is called as a shadowed place. Okay, so we were on this chapter, The Little Girl. Okay, so what I told you about this chapter is about the relationship between a daughter and her father, a girl, little girl Kezia, and her father. Okay, so this little girl Kezia, she's so afraid of her father. Okay, she's so afraid. So, and later on, what happens in the chapter? There are so many events which happen in the chapter, and later on, the attitude of this girl, the behavior of this girl, it changes towards her father. In the beginning of the chapter, she is very afraid of her father, and later on, she starts loving her father. Okay, so we will see how this change of behavior takes place. Okay, there's a communication gap between the girl and the father. What is a communication gap? जब आप दो लोग हो, आप ये वाला पर्सन दूसरे से ठीक से बात नहीं करता, दूसरा पर्सन इससे ठीक से बात नहीं करता, तो इन दोनों के बीच में क्या हो जाएगा? कम्युनिकेशन गैप. कम्युनिकेशन गैप मीन्स ठीक से आपकी बातचीत नहीं होती है, आप अच्छे से बात नहीं करते हो, so that is called as communication gap. For example, you and your parents, let's say. So you might not be talking properly to your parents. आप अपने phones में busy होंगे, आप अपनी पढ़ाई में busy होंगे, अपने sports में busy होंगे. So you might not talk properly to your parents, and your parents might also be busy in their work. उनकी मम्मी जो है किचन में बिजी होंगी, आपके पापा जो है वो ऑफिस में बिजी होंगे. सो उनके अपने काम है, आपके अपने काम है, एंड यू टू, योर पेरेंट्स एंड you might not talk properly, you might not have a proper conversation. So this thing is called as conversation gap, communication gap. Okay, so here also there is a communication gap between Kezia and her father, and that's why Kezia is so afraid of her father, क्योंकि उसको उसके फादर से बहुत डर लगता है. उसको उसके फादर की एक अलग ही इमेज है उसके दिमाग में, उसको उसके फादर बहुत डरावने लगते हैं. Okay, so her later on, her feelings for her father, it changes, and it changes. Earlier, it was a feeling of fear. Okay, in the beginning of the chapter, there's a feeling of fear towards her father. Okay, वो डरती है अपने पापा से. And later on, the feeling changes to understanding. और बाद में वो समझदार हो जाती है, समझने लगती है उसके पापा की behavior की, उसके पापा ऐसे क्यों behave करते हैं. Okay, For example, when your parents are strict, okay, you think that your parents don't love you. When you were smaller, you might think that your parents don't love you. Okay, आपकी मम्मी तो डांटती है मुझे, मम्मी गंदी है, मम्मी मुझे प्यार नहीं करती है, right? When you were small, you might used to think that. But जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते जाते हो, as you grow up, you understand that why your mother scolds you. आपकी मदर डांटती क्यों है आपको, आपके पापा आपको डांटते क्यों हैं, तो आप वो समझने लग जाते हो. Because when you are doing something wrong, that's why your father scolds you, that's why your mother scolds you. इसलिए आपकी मम्मी आपको डांटती है, इसलिए आपके आपके पापा आपको डांटते हैं जब आप कुछ गलत करते हो. They are preventing you from doing something wrong. वो आपको कुछ भी गलत करने से रोकते हैं. They care for you and that's why they scold you. एंड ये सब आपको कब समझ में आता है, जब आप थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हो. बट जब आप छोटे होते हो, यू थिंक दैट योर पेरेंट्स आर स्ट्रिक्ट टुवर्ड्स यू एंड दे डोंट लव यू. सो दिस होल थिंग आल्सो हैपेंस विद केजिया. सो इट इज अ, यू कैन ऑल रिलेट टू केजिया, ओके, बिकॉज ये हम सबके साथ होता है कि हमको लगता है कि पेरेंट्स प्यार नहीं करते हैं, पेरेंट्स हमें डांटते हैं. सो दिस स्टोरी ऑफ केजिया इज ऑल अबाउट अस. हमारी भी ऐसी सिमिलर स्टोरी है, क्योंकि हमको भी ऐसा ही लगता है और बाद में हमको पेरेंट्स का बिहेवियर समझ में आ जाता है कि वो ऐसा क्यों बिहेव करते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर देन. To the little girl, who's the little girl here? Little girl is the Kezia. Okay. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Okay, little girl here is Kezia and he is the father. So to the little girl, to Kezia, her father was a figure to be feared and avoided. उसके लिए father का मतलब था कि जिनसे डरो और उनको avoid करो. वो कुछ आपको बात कह रहे हैं तो उनकी सुनो मत और उनको उनसे डरो. उसके लिए उसके father का मतलब simple ये था, because उसको उसके father से डर लगता था. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. Okay, so every morning when her father used to go to work, used to go to office, so her father, he would come to Kezia and he would give her a kiss that, okay, beta, I am going now and you take care. Okay, to which she responded. Responded मतलब कोई भी आपको कुछ बात कर रहा है तो आप उसका reply करते हो, so that is called as responding to someone. So to which she responded, जो fathers को, when her father used to kiss her, she used to respond with goodbye father. So when father kissed her, she used to say goodbye father, goodbye papa. And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. And जब उसको लगता था, उसके पापा जब कैरियज के अंदर चले जाते थे, जो कोई भी चीज दूर जाती है तो उसकी आवाज जो है वो फेंट होती जाती है, उसकी आवाज कम होती जाती है. तो पापा जब चले जाते थे, जो कैरियज में जाते थे, उसकी आवाज कम हो जाती थी. तो शी वॉज सो रिलीव्ड, उसको बहुत रिलीफ फील होता था. थैंक गॉड पापा चले गए, because she was so afraid of him. Okay. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Okay, so when in evening, when her father came back from the work, she used to listen to his loud voice and she used to stand near the staircase. सीढ़ियों के पास खड़े होके वो अपने पापा की आवाज सुनती थी. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Okay, so who's saying all this? Her father is saying that कि मेरी चाय लेके आओ ड्राइंग रूम में, अभी तक पेपर नहीं आया क्या? Mother, go and see if my paper is out there. Mother means what? पापा की मदर, इसके फादर की जो मदर है, मतलब केजिया की जो ग्रैंड मदर है, दादी है, उनको her father is saying, Mother, go and see if my paper is out there. देखो अगर मेरा पेपर आया है या नहीं. And bring me my slippers. And मेरी slippers लेके आओ. So ये सब जो है, the father used to say, and Kezia used to listen to his loud voice. Kezia, mother would call to her. So mother would call Kezia. If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. So mother is talking to Kezia. Kezia की जो mother है, she is talking to Kezia. She is telling her that if you are a good girl, you come down from the stairs and take out your father's boots. अगर तुम अच्छी लड़की हो तो नीचे आओ और अपने पापा के shoes उतारो. Slowly the girl will slip down the stairs, more slowly still across the hall and pushed open the drawing room door. So kezia को बिल्कुल kezia क्या है, एक तो father से she fears her father and she avoids her father. Okay, डरती भी है और avoid भी करती है. तो अब उसका बिल्कुल मन नहीं होता था कि उसको फादर को शूज उतारने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, तो उसके फादर से उसको मिलने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, तो वो बहुत धीरे धीरे नीचे आती थी. अनविलिंगली शी यूज टू कम डाउन. अनविलिंगली मीन्स व्हाट? बिना मन के स्टेयर से नीचे आती थी और फिर वो ड्राइंग रूम में जाती थी उसके फादर के पास. व्हाई इज शी अनविलिंग टू गो टू हर फादर? बिकॉज शी इज अफ्रेड ऑफ हर फादर एंड शी वांट्स टू अवॉइड हर फादर. By that time, he had his spectacles on. Spectacles means chashma. By that time, he had his he is the father here. So अब तक फिर क्या होता है? उसकी father जो है, he puts his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the girl. So the father, who goes to this drawing room? Kezia goes to the drawing room, and there the father is sitting on the sofa. He's putting his spectacles on and he's looking at Kezia. So now Kezia is so afraid. जैसे वो उसको देख रहे हैं बहुत in a terrifying way, in a डरावनी तरीके से जैसे उसको देख रहे हैं, तो उसको बहुत डर लगता है उसके फादर से. Okay. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? So now the father is telling Kezia that Kezia, hurry up, jaldi karo and pull off these boots. ये boots जो है, मेरे shoes जो है, ये निकालो and put them outside. Have you been good girl today? आज तुम अच्छी लड़की की तरह behave किया तुमने? He's asking her. Who? The father is asking Kezia. Don't know. Now, the Kezia, this girl, little girl, she's stuttering. She's stuttering. Okay. Stuttering means हकलाना. अब उसको डर लग रहा है, उसके father ने उससे कुछ पूछा, तो she is afraid of her father and now she is stuttering because she is afraid of her father. Don't know father. मुझे नहीं पता मैं अच्छी से behave किया या नहीं किया. I just don't know anything about it. You don't know? What if you stutter like that? Mother will have to take you to the doctor. So now father is angry on her that Kezia is stuttering. Kezia हकला रही है, तो father को उस पे गुस्सा आ रहा है that if you stutter like that, अगर तुम हकलाओगी, mother will take you to a doctor. Mother तुमको डॉक्टर को दिखाने ले जाएगी. Why are you stuttering like that? तुम ऐसे क्यों हकला रही हो? She never stuttered with other people. So this girl, Kezia, she never stutters with other people. When she talks to other people, she never stutters. वो कभी हकलाती नहीं है जब वो दूसरे लोगों से बात करती है. Had quite given it up. मतलब पहले हकलाती थी बहुत जब छोटी थी, but now she doesn't stutter. But only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. But लेकिन वो सिर्फ अभी उसके father के सामने stutter करती है. Why? Because she is so afraid of him कि वो डर के मारे हकलाती है. डर के मारे she stutters in front of her father. What's the matter? What's the matter? Why? What are you looking so rushed about? Okay, so now who's asking that? The father is asking that what? क्या हुआ? Why are you so unhappy? तुम इतनी sad क्यों दिख रही हो? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Here, Kezia, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. So, अब जो father है वो गुस्सा हो रहा है कि Kezia is stuttering and he is asking her to take the teacup, जो उसका जो चाय का प्याला है, he asks Kezia to take it back. Okay, he is complaining that this girl is stuttering and I'm so unhappy about it. Okay, I'm so sad about it. So I'm very angry. Who's saying all this? The father is saying all this, that this girl is stuttering, means Kezia is stuttering, and Kezia, you just carry my cup back to the table. So this girl Kezia, she is very much afraid of her father that she stutters in front of him. Okay. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. So now Kezia is explaining how her father looked. So according to her, he was so big. बहुत बड़े थे वो. बड़े मतलब कि he was taller. Okay. His hands and his neck. His hands were big. His neck was big. Especially his mouth. And his mouth was also big when he used to yawn. जब वो उबासी लेते थे तब उनका mouth was also big. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. So all in all, he was like a giant. बहुत बड़े राक्षस जैसे वो दिखते थे. Very huge. Okay. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Okay. So what happened on every Sunday afternoon? Her grandmother means whose grandmother? Kezia's grandmother. So she used to send Kezia to have a nice talk with her father and her mother. So grandmother used to send Kezia to talk to her father and her mother on every Sunday afternoon. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa. But every time when she used to go to her father and mother, what was the scene there? Her mother was always reading and her father was stretched out on the sofa. मम्मी हमेशा पढ़ रही होती थी और जो पापा हैं वो हमेशा लेटे हुए होते थे. Stretched out means lete hona. He stretched out on bed to stretch out on sofa. Okay, the father was stretched out on the sofa. His handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. So how was father sleeping there? He was stretched on the sofa. His handkerchief was on his face. उनका रुमाल उनके चेहरे पे होता था. And his feet, and he had his feet, उनके पैर cushion के ऊपर होते थे. He was sleeping soundly, अच्छे से सो रहे होते थे, and he was snoring. Snoring means खराटे मारना. Okay. So the father was always sleeping there and snoring, and mother was what was mother doing? The mother was always reading. So Kezia always used to come to talk to these two people, but they were always busy in their work. So that's why there was a communication gap. Okay, communication gap, I told you. What is communication gap? When two people don't talk properly and they don't understand each other, that means communication gap. So there was a communication gap between Kezia and her parents. Okay. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched. Okay, so the mother was reading, the father was sleeping. So Kezia sat there. She sat there on a stool. वो stool पे बैठ जाती थी. Gravely watched him until he woke and stretched. Okay, so वहाँ पे वो बैठ जाती थी and she used to watch him. Gravely watch someone means what? किसी को घूरना. वो घूर के देखती रहती थी कि कब पापा उठेंगे. Until he woke and stretched. तो वो उठ के जब स्ट्रेच करते, स्ट्रेच मीन्स मतलब अंगड़ाई लेना. जब आप उठते हो तो आप अंगड़ाई लेते हो ना. So father, when her father, he used to wake up, he used to stretch and ask the time. So when father used to wake up, what did he ask about? He asked about time. कि time क्या हुआ है? Then looked at her. So when the father used to wake up, he used to ask the time, and then he used to look at Kezia, who was sitting on the stool. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Okay, so now the father tells Kezia कि ऐसे मत घूरो Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. तुम उल्लू की तरह घूर रही हो. Okay, you are staring at me like an owl. So don't stare means घूरना. So don't stare at me like that. One day, when she was kept indoors with the cold, okay, so one day when Kezia was at home only, her grandmother told her that her father's birthday was next week. Okay, so now grandmother tells Kezia that your father's birthday is coming. कि आपके पापा का बर्थडे आने वाला है. So Kezia की दादी उसको बोलती है कि it's your father's birthday next week, and suggested she should make him a pincushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. और वो suggest करती है, कौन suggest करती है? Grandmother जो है, दादी जो है, वो suggest करती है केजिया को कि आपके पापा का बर्थडे आ रहा है तो तुम उनके लिए एक गिफ्ट की तरह कुशन बनाओ, एक कुशन बनाओ और उनको गिफ्ट करना. Okay, so that is all about it. That now the grandmother has suggested Kezia that your father's birthday is approaching and you should gift something to him. And she suggests that you should gift him a pin cushion and you should make it on your own. Okay, so now there's a grandmother in the house, there's Kezia in the house, and there's father and mother in the house. And now father's birthday is approaching. Okay, so That's all for today's lecture. You have this assignment number 2, in which you have to complete these 2 questions and submit me on Scholars ERP. The first one is, why do you think Kezia stutters while talking to your father? Talking to his father. Talking to his, not it's her actually. That's a mistake here. Okay. So why do you think Kezia stutters? आपको क्यों लगता है कि Kezia हकलाती क्यों थी उसके पापा के सामने? और किसी के सामने she never used to stutter, right? But she used to stutter in front of her father. So why do you think it happens? Why do you think she used to stutter? Find instances which show that Kezia was afraid of her father. ऐसे instances बताओ. ऐसा आपको examples ढूंढने हैं. अब तक हमने जो पढ़ा उसके अंदर विच शो जो शो करते हैं कि केजिया जो है उसके पापा से डरती थी. ऐसा कहाँ कहाँ पे आपको लगा, किस किस इंस्टेंसेस से लगा, किस किस बात से आपको ऐसा लगा कि केजिया अपने पापा से डरती थी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू complete these questions and submit me on Scholars ERP. Okay, children, so that's all for today's lecture, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for today.